So this is going to be a short one, but this is another reason to drive older cars and why it can be beneficial to you. So I have a 1993 Honda Civic, most of you know, and I lost my key recently. So I've just come over here to the Honda dealer, and they still have the keys in stock. And they were able to cut it using my ID and the registration, whatever. So they still had the information for this car. $11.85, guys. $11.85. So just let that sink in and think about that the next time you lose your key fob or it's damaged or whatever. All right, gonna leave you with that. I'll catch you on the next one, guys.